Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can access, enable, and use the Microsoft Copilot as an assistant in your projects on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. First of all, you will need to access GitHub, of course, and your account there. And one way would be to simply click into these three lines in the top left corner and navigate to Copilot here. That is going to redirect you to that communication panel here, like, on most other AI chat assistants. You can use it to enter your prompt here. For example, you may even attach repositories, as you can see, files and spaces, and simply enter your prompt here. For example, I don't know, work on this Git repository file, or do this or that, or create an issue or edit an issue. And basically you can use Copilot as an assistant to do some of these tasks for you. Here in the bottom right corner, guys, you will see the language model. You may choose, for example, GPT-5, but there's also Claude and GPT-4, and select the one you would like to go with, and simply press enter or click into this button to send your request. Now, there is also option number two, guys. You can access the Microsoft Copilot assistant via your project. So head over, for example, to one of your projects, and here access it through one of your views. I will go with the board view here, and as you can see, I added a couple of tasks and issues for demonstration purposes. So if you'd like to communicate and interact with Copilot from there, guys, you can do that as well by clicking into this button here, Open Copilot, and then you may select, for example, the assistant or for space. Or alternately, you may click into this button here, and that is going to redirect you back to your communication panel. But in this case here, guys, as you can see, there will be the reference to the given issue, for instance, or to the given board, depending on from where you got redirected to that communication panel, from your board view, for example, or from a specific project. So you may, for instance, give it the command to create an issue, /create issue, and then you, for example, can go with one of these suggestions, or you may simply go with a command or prompt like this. Press enter, just for demonstration purposes, and after that, Copilot will start working on your request, planning the response. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.